It's such a tired game. Will it ever stop? How will this all play out? Of sight, out of mind now. By now we should know how to communicate instead of coming to blows. We're on a roll and there ain't no stopping us now. We're burning under control. Isn't it strange how we're all burning under the same sun? By now we save, it's a war for peace. It's the same old game, but do we really wanna play? We could close our eyes, it's still there. We could say it's us against them. We could try but nobody wins. Gravity has got a hold on us all. Could try to put it out, but it's a growing flame. Using fear as fuel, burning down our name. And it won't take too long, cause words all burn the same. And who we gonna blame now we know? It's such a crying, crying, crying shame. It's such a crying, crying, crying shame. It's such a crying, crying, crying shame, shame, shame. Now it's beginning to show. A number of people, the numbers that ain't coming home. I could close my eyes, they're still there. Close my mind, be alone. I could close my heart and not care, but gravity has got a hold on us all. It's a terrific price to pay, but in the true sense of the word, are we using what we've learned? In the true sense of the word, are we losing what we were? It's such a tired game. Will it ever stop? It's not for me to say. And is it in our blood, or is it just our fate? And how will this all play out? Of sight, out of mind. Who we gonna blame? All in all, it's just a crying, crying, crying shame. It's such a crying, crying, crying shame. It's such a crying, crying, crying shame, shame, shame. Kicking with you. Here we be, both together now, finally. I've been hoping that we could be opening up one another. I've been wishing and visualizing on your description about every night and calling attention to those I admire. And wow, now I'm kicking with you. 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 Every day can be a Saturday evening celebration, especially when every day is just another good reason to keep on kicking with you. What you got a lot of hot something. Who you loving is the luckiest one. What you do when you do what you do makes me glad I'm kicking with you. I'm kicking with you. I'm kicking with you. I'm kicking with you. You make it easy to do. I'm kicking with you. I'm kicking with you. This mission is plainly unexplainable. Listening to your grace and say, well, I can't get enough of that body language. And then finally, well, I'm in my favorite place to be. Right here kicking with you.
to do is kick it with you. I'ma kick it with you. I'm kicking with you. Let's break it down now. I said I'm glad, but I'm kicking with you. Oh, you are, yeah, you know I'm kicking with you. Oh, easiest thing to do is kick it with you. Always kick it with you, yeah. Kick it with you. I kick it with you. Oh, I wanna kick it with you. I wanna kick it. But keep it in order, kick it with you, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I kick it with you. Kick it. Kick it. I'm gonna kick it with you, girl. I'm gonna kick it with you, girl. Do you hear me? I'm talking to you across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
They don't know how long it takes
waiting for a love like this.
every time
we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair.
Though the breezes through the trees move so pretty, you're all I see as the world keeps spinning round. You hold me right here, right now.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have